This video is divided into two segments. The first is to introduce you to the reset button, and the second segment will show you how you may save some money using the reset button. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a greenhorn of the Sony PD-170 camera, it is always nice to know that you can reset the menu to the original default settings. By pressing the reset button, all of the settings, including the date and time, return to the default settings when the camera first came out of the box. Turn the camera to the on position. Do not use a ballpoint pen when depressing the reset button. A repair shop told me that the ballpoint pen can leave a small amount of ink on the button that can eventually dry and harden, making the reset button unworkable. Also, the metal tip of a ballpoint pen can cause damage to the button. One of the recommendations by Sony is to use something with a plastic tip. I have found that a Q-tip is perfect. Simply remove the cotton wrap from one end of the Q-tip and keep it in your camera case for future use. When you press the reset button, the LCD screen will go blank for a few seconds until the process is complete. You will then have to re-enter your favorite settings like the 16:9 format and so forth. The reset button has another function that most aren't aware of. It may save you from sending the camera to a repair shop. For example, if you discover that none of the functions work on your PD-170 camera, although the power is on, then this procedure will possibly correct the problem. The PD-170 first hit the market in 2005 and is still being resold on eBay, Amazon, and countless camera centers at a fraction of the original cost. The PD-170 is still the workhorse of a lot of production companies and TV stations, and with proper care, it'll be around for years. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.